Hello guys and welcome to Asusay. Today we are going to upscale our tea box. Things you will need are some glue or Fevicol, a tea box, a scale, a pair of scissors, paper knife. If you do not have this, you can use the scissors as well. Pencil to do the marking, a scoring tool, or you can use your hands to do the folds, pencil sharpener, eraser, and some decorative plain and decorative sheets. So let's get started, guys. So guys, you can either take dimensions of this box. So it is easier for you if you're a first timer. It is easier for you to take all the dimensions and then start from there. I am not going to do that. I'm directly going to take the paper to this box. So that's what I'm doing. Try to apply thin layer of glue so there are no folds on the paper. So let's do this. Guys, this will take some patience and some time. So please do not do this in a hurry. Take your time. Don't paste the paper at once. Try to choose little area at a time. Now we'll cut these edges and we'll not remove these edges altogether. We will make some folds here. So if you see, I'm going to make some folds here. And I'm not going to cut these edges completely. I'm just cutting them where the other end meets. So while folding these edges, I'm going to use the folding method. So I'm folding in a triangle shape inside. And then I'm going to use the glue to paste these papers. So don't worry about areas in the middle partition because we are going to add another decorative sheet over there. So you can leave that as it is, but try to cover as much area as you can. Now if you get short of sheet, use another sheet of paper and try to cover those areas which are still left uncovered. Guys, I'm using these small paper sheets. I've cut them into small pieces to cover these areas which are smaller than the other bigger areas. So I'm using smaller sheets here. Okay guys, we are almost done. If you see, we have covered this box with paper sheets. So this is the final look of the box, guys. I hope you like it as of now. Okay, don't worry about this side. We are going to cover that with this decorative paper. Take the decorative sheet and with the help of a pencil, do the markings of the edges of the sheet on the box. Now while you take a ruler and draw the margin for these points. Now when you are cutting this paper, take a centimeter and or a half centimeter so that we can also have the margins left for the plain sheet as well. So I'm just cutting this sheet to paste it on the top of this box. Now use this sheet and paste it on the top like so. Now do the same with all the edges. I have not done it for the bottom edge, so you can, it's your choice. If you want to do for the bottom edge as well, you can do it, but I have left the bottom edge. So I'm going to paste all of the sides with the decorative paper, and you'll soon see that all our areas where we did not paste the paper, they are all hidden behind this sheet. Now we are almost done, guys. We are going to write some text here. You can write anything, whatever you like. So I just randomly wrote a love on this box. I think that's really nice. Now use some glitter pen, and you can go on this text, and it's your imagination how much ever you would want to decorate this box, really. So I tried to keep it simple, so that's why I didn't add anything much on this. That's it, guys. Thank you so much. Please follow us on Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye bye.